Welcome. Today we'll explore different ways to display data in JavaScript. These are called output methods, and they're essential for showing information to users or for debugging your code. We'll cover console methods, the document.write method, and document object model manipulation. Let's start with console methods. These are a modern way to output data directly into your browser's console, which is a powerful tool for debugging. You can use console.log for general messages, console.info for informational messages, console.warn for warnings, console.error for errors, and console.table to display data in a tabular format. These methods are incredibly helpful in diagnosing problems in your JavaScript code. Next, we have document.write. This method is a more traditional approach, directly writing content into the HTML document stream. It is useful for generating dynamic content during the initial page load. However, it's important to note that using document.write after the page has loaded can overwrite the entire document, which is usually not what we want. For a more controlled approach, we will look at DOM manipulation. Now let's explore the document object model or DOM manipulation. This is the modern way to dynamically update your web page's content. By using techniques like innerHTML, you can precisely control which elements are changed. This is more flexible and offers better performance than using document.write, but it's important to be cautious about security risks when using user-provided content with innerHTML, and also that event listeners are lost when content is updated using this method. Now let's talk about how to show messages to the user using JavaScript. The window.alert method creates a simple pop-up box in the browser window. This box displays a message to the user and pauses the JavaScript execution until the user clicks the OK button. It's a simple way to show a message, but it's not very flexible. For more control, we use custom modals. Custom modal dialogs, on the other hand, offer complete control over appearance and functionality. Unlike alerts, custom modals don't block the user interface, and you can add interactive buttons and styling for a better experience. We can use any HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create these modals. They allow for rich content, multiple actions, and a consistent look across different browsers. Let's explore browser developer tools. These are essential for any web developer and are built right into your browser. The console panel allows for debugging, logging, and testing of the JavaScript code in real time. The Elements Inspector allows you to examine and modify the HTML structure and CSS styles of your web page in real time. The Network Monitor allows you to track network requests and debug API calls. Finally, the Performance tools help you analyze JavaScript execution and optimize the performance of your web applications. These are accessed via shortcut keys as mentioned here. Now let's delve into debugging output methods to help you effectively identify and resolve issues in your code. The first approach is structured debugging. You can use console.group to organize your debug output into logical blocks. The second approach is conditional debugging, where you use debug flags to control when your debug statements are executed, so that they are not included when your application is deployed. In the real-world debugging example, we show the usage of these techniques and common debugging patterns with other console functions like time, dir, trace, and table. Also, the usage of console.assert is shown. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.